audio seems to be working. Working. Check. All is working. Check. Yep. Okay. It's working. Camera's on and stream text off. Boom. Okay. Oh, gonna keep doing that. Pop over here really quick. Oh, just pop right there. Boom. All right, there we go. All right. Basic principle here is that we are going to build a small front end because I have a back end that is working. Now I just need to populate the back end with data, and I want an easy way to do that. So I'm just going to basically write a quick front end for all of that bit. It's going to be a great time. Uh, oh, awesome. Q. Right. That's clear. Maker. Swift Rebel, right? There's Swift. Hint of. Actually, here, this is what we'll do. We will create a list. Let stack equal an array of strings JS, HTML, maybe some styling in there. Python. Spell. JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Python, and Java, right? Okay. Well, yeah, I could do Java too. Alright. Don't have an LSP for that one, so it's gonna be a fun one. See me look around with my them for a bit. So make it work with Java. Oh, I can make it work with Java anyway, it's fine. That's fine. Python, Java. Probably could do a little script. Oh, JS, HTML, CSS, Python, Java. I could do a Swift app. Swift. Um, Swift. It would be my first time really making a macOS specific app. Might not be that specific, but yeah. All right, Python, Java, Swift. Boom, boom. JS, HTML, CSS, Python, Java, Swift. All right. I don't know, my dude. Dum, bum, bum, dum. All right. So, sure, that works for me. Boom. All right. Check. Still there. All right. Let's just do an stack. Put a random 1 second. I already have an open instance, so it should go. Oh, okay. Random in the random element in array 10. Swift. Not cool. It's just a dot random element. Cool. Elenite. Oh. All right. Okay. Well, first one was JS, HTML, and CSS. Do I? Fuck, I don't even have it. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna do it all in the clear. Swift packaged and Swift. God damn it! Why not? Why not? Can I man Swift? All right, that's at least better. Swift package. No, don't give me anything like that. Okay, cool. Hell, I hate you. I hate it. I love Swift as a language, but you know it's just a fucking my ass when I have to do Swift help package and package package and it. There we go. Executable. Cool. Defaults library. I want executable. All right. Enable Swift testing. Cool. Yeah. All right. Let's do it. So let's do dir family library family library front in boom, boom, boom. CD family library in library family. Oh, then we'll go Swift packaging 5 executable and full Swift testing. That's it. I'm gonna have to hit the help page really quick because you know help. There it is, and then I want Swift packaging. Type. All this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Cage. Okay. Cute, cute. What's that fun stuff? Well, um, cute. Hmm. What was it doing? This was. I did that. LS, cool, great. Um, and then sources, main, hello world. Let's do a little check health. Vim, not in Vim, Jesus Christ. Vim.lsp. Vim.lsp. Do. Source kit, KO. All good, cool. You. Come at me. Let's do. Oh, actually, one second. We'll need to do a. Oh, do. Care about you. I want to add forms, supported platforms, make it an array. There, and OS 15. Like .v, right? Yeah. Okay. And then, oh, yeah. All good there. Dum dum dum. Dum 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 Rocks. You. That's what you I mean. Been a minute since I've had to do this. Second. Application. That. No. That. That one. Nope. Wasn't it? Again, it's been a minute since I've had to do this. And swing. No, you don't get to see it. Oh, okay, it is. Gotcha. A module that contains top level code. What do you mean? I feel like it's wrong. For some reason, I feel like that's wrong. So, let's find out. Our body. You. Oh, little V-stack in here. I'm gonna get like, hello world, motherfuckers. Six. Boom, boom, boom. Four. You know, UI view controllers were so much simpler, you know, you just had to slap a couple of blinds in here. Can I do that? Vegetables. With views, or do I need to do it from fucking console? Can I do it? In theory, this is like the way it's doing it. Does it need to be, oh, never mind. I'm an idiot. No. There we go. Boom. Dun 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 dun. Oh, there we go. Window scene. Window group. Window group. Oh, down here. Do. Oh, no, not quite what I meant to do. Don't care about the directory bits. Error. No, actually, I'll rename this really quick. Alright. You know how hard it is to just keep up with all the shit that's happening? Content. You. Call it a view. Here are. Body. Some view. Oh. I could do Swift TUI, I guess, but I don't want to. 1 second, BOD. Why can't I use BOD? That's what I want. I want to make a plugin so I can just use BOD. It was like the brain rot programming language that came out. I don't know if that one was a fun one. That would be a fun one to try. Like, I know it's not really a language. I think it was sitting on top of like Python, but you know, brain rot Python would be fun. Ooh, we live in a weird time. Head up. Oh, cool. Sure, I'll accept. Live, not reading. The video evidence of me not reading it. I just want a quick text. Hello world. Boom boom. Hello world. Up in here. Go boom 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 boom. Content. You. Boom. Kill. Oh, boom. WQ. Run. I don't know where it's going to run. So. don't see it. I see now. Oh. Alright, cool. I've made a thing. Yay. Not happy about my borders not picking it up. Like, for some reason it's just not picking it up. But that's okay. Well, suppose hit it with a Control C clear. Uh, there you go. If it brings no, man. Ooh. Oh. Ew. Alright. Um. Over here, go boom, CD. Uh, timer there. Um. Look at all this. Beautiful rust. Beautiful rust. Everyone loves rust. What the fuck does a game look like? That's what a game looks like. Roll, roll BP. Alright. Clear CD. Invent. Source main Swift. Boom. Come down here. Make a little boom, 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 boom. String. And identifiable. Ooh, yeah. Identifiable. Um, E, E, I boom. Right. ID. Let ID equals string. Not equals. Just be a string. Oh, let's go. Oh, I'm just building a quick front end because over here you see a lot of Rust. Basically, I'm trying to create a catalog of all of my like movies, video games, books, various other things. It's literally just a home library thing, but I'm also using it as like a because my wife is also trying to learn CS right now, and she's trying to like get into the application development stuff. So I built out a back end, and I want to populate it with data before she starts building her front end. It's just that. So right now I'm just building a quick and dirty front end so that it's easier for me to insert data into my back end, so I don't have to just do a bunch of curl commands. Which I guess in theory I could probably just write a quick bash script with a anyway, but without manually entering a lot of data. It's just yeah. So I'm just making the manual entry a little bit better. String boom platform. Yeah. Oh. Platform for now will equal string. Later I'll make enums. Later rating. Rating if I can spell. Oh. Yeah, no, I mean that was always my like back in college. I always had that problem of like just finding the data that I wanted. So it's kind of just like it was something that benefits us all, like as a family, and then also just a thing I can do pretty quickly. And I used it as an opportunity to learn a bit of Rust, which I have found that I enjoy for some reason. Like I like it enough. It's got its pain points, and Swift have. That's fine. I don't care about you right now. Do you have shorts? Okay, not quite what I care about. Basic, sure. But yeah, no. Overall, it's kind of just okay. Oh yeah, no. Java is I don't know. It's that I like Java as like a super fast language. But then if I'm trying to do anything, like if I'm trying to do something that looks professional, I use Java. But otherwise, I avoid it like the plague. Um, and even then, it's kind of ugh. Like Rust here is kind of my newfound love, just because it's functional. It doesn't really have. I don't know. I like Rust so far. It's functional and it doesn't have classes, and it stays away from all of the OOP stuff. It really basically is in spite of Uncle Bob. But you know, OBP real quick. There we go. Okay, now let's go here. Oh, actually, I need N. There we go. Where am I? I want to go to this. Yeah. All right. Control. Yep. Um. And then like my front end right now, I'm making in Swift. That's just because I find Swift to be pretty quick to make in. Um, that and then like I've also really enjoyed. I mean, for Java, what made Java really click for me was like learning Spring. So like doing the Spring stuff, which I'm pretty sure now is all written in Kotlin. But like if you do Java Spring, Gradle is not my favorite to deal with, but um, like Maven was where I really had fun with the dependencies, just because I found it easy. But to each their own. If you, I mean, I'd recommend going into Gradle, not Maven anymore. But Java Spring, that made me feel really good about everything. It's when I felt, yeah. Oh, I mean, another language. If you like Java, Kotlin seems to be a pretty big thing for a lot of Java developers right now. If you want something that's like radically different than Java, I would actually recommend like C++. Um, but more because C++ isn't radically different. It's more of Java hides a lot of stuff. It kind of just like makes things easy, and the things that you don't have to think about in Java, you have to think about in C++ plus C/C. But you know, it's kind of a, I don't know, it's like, and if you want like something that's super light, very powerful, and just like, um, I don't know, super light, super powerful, easy to learn, Python, it's always there. I mean, you can do anything in Python, just like you can do anything in JavaScript, but I don't know. I don't recommend JavaScript to anybody because I don't like JavaScript. Uh, Oh yeah, no, it definitely does give you a better understanding of the fundamentals. Just because, like, um, my wife, she recently went through a C++ and a Java course, and she was, ironically enough, having an easier time learning C++ because C++ you had to explicitly do everything, where Java does things for you occasionally, and that was kind of giving her, that was giving her the problems, which is, you know, that, and then she couldn't wrap her head around objects very well, which kind of a key component of Java. Uh, yeah, no problem. Thanks for the luck. I will take all I can get. Thanks for the follow. Uh, I love the dun, 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 dun. Case. Oh, we. Oh, Switch 2 is coming out. Ugh. Okay, I guess I didn't get the Wii Switch. Switch. I want that capitalism. Thank you. Oh, fuck. That's how I'm gonna do it. And Switch equals case in Switch two, boom, 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 boom. Okay, switch on. Switch to and DS. Nintendo Space Nintendo S, but instead of yes, EDS. I don't know, man. Brings up a topic that I know I shouldn't bring up on stream because it is immediately going to bring down my mood. So I'm not going to. I don't know. Not a lot going on in my life. I just exist. Little computer. Oh. Computer. I remember there being a keyword that I could use here that might work right now. Cool. Right. Don't need that. Case computer. PlayStation. PlayStation. I did specify one. Case. PlayStation. Two. I don't like capital station. Station. Is it 3 equals 3? Okay. Oh. 4. The old. Dun, 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 dun. Go, 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 streaming jam. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, PlayStation 5. That is the last of them. Yay. Ooh. Ugh. Alright. I just want this to be literal. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Empty string. Oh, fucking Christ. Alright, cool. Alright, and then we're going to also have a static function here. Static. Title. String. Not form. Not form type. Grade. Yes, E rating, and it's going to take in a number of players. Number of players. Int 8. Int 8. Uh, 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 dun, 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 dun. And we're going to return self. Oh, righty. And now we are just going to turn a game with that one. There we go. Del. Go. Go. EDI. Title. Da 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 da. Platform. Go. Da 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 da. Number of players. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, you, A, E, R, or E, R, B, yes, R, B, E, R, B, R, S, B, E, S, R, B. I thought it was herbs. God damn it! Only European games are ESRB, or I don't remember. No one's gonna read in chat to tell me, so it's fine. ESRB reading. Boom, boom, boom. Pretty easy to understand. Oh. Alright, get all that bit there. All of that there. Kyo. Good. Q. Roby P. Q. Exit. Alright. Turi. And Turi. It's gonna be a view. Oh. 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 No. Oh. Oh. Boom. 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 Okay. Need a title entry, which means boom. It's not going to be the prettiest UI in the world. It's just going to be the most functional. Oh, no. Boom. Boom. Ah, cool. It didn't. Is that cool? We're gonna just do. Oh, oh. And yeah, just make it a text for now. Title. Okay. Ooh, game title. Oh, text. Actually, we'll just make this a drop down, right? Drop down options. Forgot to drop downs. Number of players is going to be a number picker. Cool, cool. Top two. Okay. Explore a little. How should I explore? Oh, let's do it on screen. Variable. Yeah, interesting variables. I didn't make them. Okay. Anyway. That's constant. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. B. E. 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 D. Boom. Layer. Alright. Alright, actually, we'll need a validatable text field, don't we? Yeah, right, 1 second. Validatable. Validatable. Text folders. I could probably make it a decorator, but I don't want. We're not dealing with it right now. Not unless I have like a little bit more leeway and like a lot more expertise in there. So what we're gonna do is var somebody, var body, some view, that boom, boom, boom. Oh, oh, oh. It's killing me. But I do like Ezra. Oh, this works. Kind of. It works for now. All right. So, yield. Uh, so we're gonna pop up here, but boom. Fine. At binding bar. Oh. V E D A boom. Oof. Leave it like I don't know. Yeah, but it's fine. Yeah, let's do that real quick. There we go. Text title. There we go. Oh, now here comes the fun part. Oh, validation functions. All right. Validation equal. Something changed over there anyway. Oh. Oh, that's what I meant. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. On submit. I need a signal for on submit, don't I? Ah. Um, autofill for me. I want to. Don't want to deal with that bit. But if I do it that way, then might work. I don't know. Actually, we'll just do proper fucking documentation. That's that needs to be public. Oh, func is valid. No. The problem is like we want to put it past the class that's observable, and then on submit would be just a submitted signal. Would be on lose focus. On lose focus would probably be the best. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Stop. Oh. Focusable, focus effect, focusable. Ooh, focused object, don't care about that. Focus scene object, focus value, focus scene object, focusable, focusable, focused binding, focus, search focus, accessibility, default focus, prefers default focus. Oh, okay. I'm done editing. Finish. I don't want that. Then. Oh, these are fin. I want data change. Appear on on submit. On submit. Fail action. Action performs when the user submits a value. Okay. Cool. If actually we can make. Yeah. Oh, wow. Optional. If no. Or I can find it. Are valid. Cool. It's not valid. If valid. Alright, cool. There we go. Oh, some styling that will make it not valid. That's good. Good. Okay. Don't actually go there. I need to turn off Nightbot. I need to do that. That's fine. Oh, yeah. Okay. So now that I'm here, oh, dun. Invalid. Don't do anything. Basically, we only need to do things not valid. So, okay, we'll just to keep messing. Actually, there we go. That's what we'll need to do. Oh, Scarlet validation func else just fucking return. And then if not validation func. Oh, I think that's an async. Anyway, oh, I could do that. have oh, that's right. Actually, no, I don't. I don't even need it. We can just boom, d, d, boom, 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 boom. We don't need to do any of that. D, d. We don't need this if statement. Blah blah blah. Shit. Uh, and then we go here. We just go is valid. There we go. X. And then if it is valid, slap a oh. Back this time. Red. Yep. Look good. Better. All right. Cool. Boom. All right. Oh. 11 o'clock already. Damn. No, it's only 10. Okay. Oh. All right. All right. Well, I got red. Oh, God. Back. Back. Okay. Give me a second. I wanna refresh my coffee. I'll be right back. Here, I say, let me pop up this. We'll do some beep. Boom, boom, boom. Do this. Phone on? Yep, that is. Cool. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright. Where were we? We were making a thing. We were making this. Alright. How do I want to use this? Do I want to use it? Background color is red. Do I want to apply that? Do I apply it to... Are a color. It will be completely dependent on is valid. Valid. Make this. No, actually. Yeah, let's leave it binding because we want to be able to control, not necessarily control, but we at least want to know if it is valid. It means we probably just want a reporting, not really. How do we want to report it without creating a model? It's fine. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it. It's valid. If is valid, we will say we will return color dot primary. Else, if not valid, we'll just red. There you go. And then background, we'll just go color. Fucking see what the background color. Oh, here. Huh. Cool. What P background color? I don't think so. Six. Six. E. Self. Where's your nose? Looking right at it. You know not spell. I see why. I see. I see. Oi, 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 oi. I'm bad at spelling. Bad at spelling, you know. Da-da-da-da-da. Anyway. Okay. Is that the binding thing? That's all should update regularly enough. Key. Oh. Then we want to have a set of I hate forms. I really do. There's just like validatable state. Forms in general are a pain in the ass. Like unless it's a PHP form, using some just good old submit.php. Ooh, everyone loves that. PHP forms are super easy, mostly because like you have to think about it. It's just kind of like on submit, do the thing, use this function, do it. HTML handles like all the validation, whereas like probably have it. I just don't remember it. Anyway, let's look at what this looks like real quick. D3, D3. Oh, text field, validatable text field, validatable text field. Dot constant string. String. There we go. Is validatable. There we go. That for now. Dot constant. Ooh. Oh. Title. Validation. Ah, fuck it, that's badass. Just a terrible fucking name. Anyway. Oh. I'm just string empty. String. Is. We shouldn't call it string. Probably call it title. 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 There we go. Oh. Title. That is empty. Not. There we go. Accurate. How is it accurate? String val constant. This is just because it's complaining. Like, I don't know what it's complaining about. There, boom. And what is it complaining about? Is it complaining about what is it complaining about? Let's find out. School with Bill. It seems to have built. Am I clashing with something? I feel like I'm clashing with something. So, if run build for debugging product, hey, it seems to be running. Let's look at it. Oh, hello world. I didn't fucking add. Oh, wait a minute. What? Oh, I never wrote. That's what's happening. Oh shit. He's still running. We'll see. Swift. Build. Build. Alright. Note init string. Where? Okay. Error. Initializer isn't accessible due to private protection level. Ah, I see. Because of this. VP 3 boom. If run. Oh, I never. Yep. One second. I'm an idiot. Thank you. Where am I? There I am. Magnum gave you. Fuck. Shit. I can't spell worth shit today. Oh. What did it? There we go. Build. Cool. Boom, boom. Swift. Run. Okay, it's running. Let's see what it looks like. I can't change it because constant shit. That's fine. Alright, cool. I deselect it. Select it, deselect it. No. Alright, well, we're going to. Oh, shit. Alright, come back in. Go. Control C. Hey, not padding. Do like 10. That's good for me. I'll go over here, go at state title. Oh. Boom, boom, I. Boom, is valid true X. And then we will go $sign type. And O at state bar form valid. Oh. Form valid. There we go. Boom, boom. All right, there you go. String equals. I make these private because I want them to be accessible. Private. Right. Swift. Run. Boom. Did this. It's running. I see it. Boom. There, like this. Boom. Like this. Can I go away from it? Like, away from it. I don't have anything to focus on. God damn it. Oh, can I type into it? Type it. Where am I typing? Can I not just, I can't select it. Seems to be highlighted. It seems to be selected. H. Control C. Yep. Alright, I guess maybe the terminal is a greedy bitch. It's fine. Alright. My terminal is just being greedy with the with my input, which is fine. I'm not terrible about it. It's just being in the ass about these things. They don't make it easy. Anyway, right. But I don't think this is a good solution anyway. We're gonna have some type of thing. Do a validatable model. Have a list of validatable models. If any of the models are invalid, then we can test that. That's easy. So what we'll actually do is have Oh, boom, boom, a validatable text field, that's fine, but now we're going to have a class validatable text, validatable, validatable. Oh, there we go. This is going to be fun. Observable, actually, one second. Ooh. There we go. Shift A. There we go. Boom. Observable object. Boom. 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 All right. Then we'll come over here. We just go D2D. Come over here. Boom. Boom. D. There we go. U. D. U. D. There we go. Get him in the right spot. Anyway, class battle available. It's fine. For a second. Yeah. Don't worry about it. We will get there. Eat. There we go. Put a text object back in here. Text. What text should we put in there? We should put like hello world. The 11 characters or 15 characters that we all love and have. Anyway, no initializers. That's fine for now. We don't want these to be binding. We want them to be published. Published. Publish. We want at observed object now. Object var VM model editable text field view model. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's what we want right there. And then we'll come over here, go boom, and then we want model.fez valid. There we go. And it's there we go. There we go. X L L. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. Care about you, but we do care about this, and it's going to be model string val, string val, boom, is valid. And then we'll probably also move this to O right here. Maybe. Along with this, just because why not? Onto the key, and we come over here. We just go to the get everything from the model. That model that shift F B model. Let's go on that. Actually, you know what we'll do? We'll do this. There we go. That's what we'll do. We won't even worry about this. Boom. There we go. Delete. X that. There we go. We'll just come down here. B. Nope. You. B. AP. Put that there. Question mark. Dutch string val. Right, now we have all this, right? Oh, guess what? Now we know that all of this is going to be a thing. All of these have model on them. Model, 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 all that, right? Everyone loves that. Come over here, we go da 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 false, because it's valid. Oh, actually, true. Da, 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 da. True, because if we don't have one, we don't really need to validate anything, right? So we see model, 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 model. We'll just come up here really quick. Pop over here, boom, boom. Let's just hit a func validate. Date with validate. And then we'll just boom, boom. Oh, pretty simple. Then we go, is valid is equal to validation func. Func val. Boom, done. We have an optional, so we get true. Then when we come over here, we just go to done, and then we go folk, and then we go model validate. There we go. There we go. Alrighty. And you know what we can do? We also probably make this a thing of the model. There, really quick. Up here, go. Up. Oh, that's right. FM. Go. Now we just go over here. We go. Model. There we go. Right, right. Has no pleasures. That's fine. We'll fix that in a second. Tab init. And we just go published. So what we want is wrap them. Is that what we want? We gotta do this. You do publish wrapped. I know that much, but I don't want to do publish wrapped. I want to do. I could make this an observable and just make everything changeable. Anything that's a var changeable, right? That'd be fun. Don't do observable object then. Blue eat I struck. Served. Observable. One second, I'm gonna have to fucking get down to the bottom of this one. Object protocol to observable macro at observable class. Can it be a struct? No, it has to be a class, doesn't it? Nope. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, no, okay, it can be. It can be. So it's just observable in this class, right? Okay. At observable. I. What? Oh, fuck, yes. Now it's just. Yeah. Now it's just binding. Ah. Binding. Yep. Published books. Now it's just that. Um. Right. Have it as state. They can have it as permanent object. Oh, I don't even need it to be. Oh, fuck, cool. That's cool. That's great. Awesome. I don't even need it to be at binding. It just needs to be a thing. Ah, goddamn it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, why can't I? I can't do that. Just all right. I got excited for a second. Guess I can't do it that way. Which is the worst thing. It's just a pain in my ass. That's what. Actually, was it? Find a bowl. Oh, cool. And now I just have to pass in strings. String val. String. This will be fun. Cool. I'm just for reference. I have not used the add observable macro yet, so I'm new to it. I know that it was a thing. I just haven't been able to get my hands on it because I don't play with modern, like bleeding edge modern Swift very much. I play with like 2 generations old. Which at this point means like 5.10, like early 6 Swift. Which came out like last year. in full swing. So yeah, like right now I'm in the middle of making things with 6 at work. Terrible. Is valid bool. Make that one optional. Is true. Boom. And then just click title. All. Boom. There we go. Sometimes. Oh, we don't need that. We need a value past tense so that we can boo. I and then it's valid bool. Validation func. Validation func is of type string. Bool. Self dot val equals self equals title. Self dot is valid equals is valid. Self dot validation func. Honestly, we don't even need to just prove this fun. Validation. Fish stopping. Symbols. Um. Now I don't need this. That's an option. All right, cool. And just for validation's sake, that bit. Oh, here's that bit. You know, this is the part of development that I love, and it's like I've spent 2 hours doing nothing, but it's just I've made a lot of code, a lot of spaghetti. I haven't even gotten like the actual meat of this yet, nor it's actually going to be making the requests and like doing work. Woo. Beautiful. We're just gonna quickly get rid of you. Maybe. Can I pedal and submit report this user? Moderator view. Field mode. Radar. The damn thing. I have to like actually go into a Mm. But you're making things hard for. I want to pin it. Delete it. You used to be able to delete it. How do I delete things now? Delete. Thank you. Oh, it was so hard. Anyway. Okay. Fucking Christ. Anyway. Alright. Got that bit going. Okay. Now, whatever one I have. Probably should have a dictionary based off the coding keys of the object, which would be good. Are they available? Let's see. Oh, there we go. Observable class. File class. Make king. Alright. You know, we'll have a good old there. File to um game.code. It is Coddle, so it should have coding key. Ah. Yeah, we'll just make strings. I'm not too worried about it. It will in a minute, but this is also going to be initialized to a pretty bog standard. We'll make it initializer. I don't really want to deal with this right now. Oh, validatable models. Oh, form. We have our form valid. Is form valid? Is form valid? That's just going to be equal to boom, boom, oh, tape. Uh, now it's just going to be models.value. All satisfy d d d d d is and on retrospect, I'm going to just make this equal true. Boom, 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 boom. That's fine. Head, hands, arms, everything hurts today. What time is it? 11? No, almost 11. A quick 2 hours from, I don't know. I might finish up this class and then deal with it. Nothing needs to be. Make a game. Oh, make a game is to be game. Game. And it's also going to be throw and async. Throws. Async. Async throws. Async throws. Async throws. That's spell. Oh. I mean, do I need? I don't need strong reference to any of it. I will need to get values from them. Do I want to make them generic? No, I don't. Do I? I mean, I could, but then no, because then the thing sizing won't be right, so it won't let me. I'll do that. Arg. Okay. So, if I know that, say, for instance, right? Also that's true. Now, all right. Have the async throws make game. Should be able to make game. This will just do all the grabbing of the bits and stuff. So this will. Alright. So this will try. This will grab values. Grab values and so we'll have a grab values, and then we will also have the beautiful, the oh so wonderful. Alright. So grab values, validate. If there's any error, we'll display whatever it is. We have typed throwing now. We can make our own error if I wanted to. That'd be fun. At least typed throwing error, I believe we can do. And then I can catch it specifically. So if there's an unexpected error, we can just crash the fucking program, and that'll be fine. Because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be able to understand your code well enough to expect all of the possible throwing errors. Now, being as may, I don't know what the hell an int parsing error is. It might be just an int parsing error, but hey, you never know. So, right at the moment, we're going to leave them as generic errors and print them out. Okay. So, what do we got for game? Game is something. All right. ID, title, platform, rating, number. Okay. Well, pop up. Here we'll make some. Oh, private. And we can do something really fun. I'm validating text view models though. Erg. I guess we could do it that way. That would work for me. Because then we can just have a text and it'd be PlayStation 5. And then, yeah, that would work. It would be mildly irritating, but that's fine. I don't care. I can deal with irritation. We'll just call them all text fields. That's fine. Private text. Oh, ooh. Title key. Title key. Equal. Title. Oh, shit. Private static. Static. Lit. Oh, right. Static. Lit. Static. No, 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 no. Nothing's keeping me entertained right now. Platform key E equals platform. Oh, private. They call that rating key equals platform rating. Yeah. Let's static let number of players key. Gotta love hashability. Alright. Number of players. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Self dot title key. Validation. String val. Private var. Private var. Hey. String equals boom. Private var. Title value will call val. A title value, platform value, platform value equal to private var platform value rating value. Gotta love the Kiramiki. String. Rating value, number value. Number of players. Oh. Is valid. One. No, two. Oh. Title and not title. Alright. Uh, self-dub. Form key. Valuable. Self-dub. Form key. Sweet. Valuable. Boom. This will be self-dub. In type raw value or oh platform frame or null. And just for readability's sake, we boom. Validatable. Ooh. This will reading value. I'll just do a Alright, next one's the hardest one. Is this one to be making a number from a string. And I don't remember. Player's key. Validatable. Text model string. That one. That one. Cool. String value rating value. V title self dot read. Player's key. I don't really think it's escaping. It's not really escaping. It's fine because I'm not observing it in any way. It's not an escaping value. It's just kind of a thing, but it's fine. I'm just inserting a function to a function, you know. God damn. All right, can I do this? Int 8. $0. Cool. No. I guess I can do that. That's cool. Neat. Okay. 8 bits gives me like 128, right? Yeah, I'm 90% sure that most games that I would probably own don't have that many players, so we're good. Sure. 2 to the 8th. I want that to be there, actually. I could do it there, but I don't want to. 256. Okay. Should be more than enough. Alright. Good. Oh. Okay. Ew. In order to come here. Oh. We got this. We're gonna have grab them all the values. So for let's title equal models dot or not get that. We just need the models dot title. So title key. Cardlet. There we go. Tapped that. Platform. Equal platform type. Raw value. Models. Platform key. Rating. Oh shit, we don't even have to do that, do we? We could literally just do boom. Delete. Title. Title value, there we go. Yep. Then instead of this shit, we can just come in here and go delete. Platform value. In theory, this will work. ESRB rating raw value and let number of players equal 8 number of players value. Else. Oh. Something. Any error to make some errors real quick. Or parsing error. Enum make game error. Oh, case. Failed to parse. What? So it's going to be make game error. We can just error. Error. Not failed to parse. Input error. Good. 3. Don't worry about that part. This one would be like, it's not even fucking optional. And I'm like, yeah, that's true. I'll get it out of here. Oh, B, oh, B, have a, that, go, shift, I, da, 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 oh, no. Now we return dot new title. And then I guess I don't know what to do with these. Make a game. There's a made a game. Dot new game. Return game. I don't know what to do with this game. Send game. I'll have some type of like sender. So I guess yeah, sure. Well, eighth sync throws, returns game. Returns definite game though, so that's good. All right. Then I'll have like some type of back end thing that will do the actual requesting, and that's fine. So we'll just have a little um, G all the way here at the end. Struct game service manager. Nothing I can think of that needs to be a thing right now. Actually, we could probably make it an actor, but it doesn't matter because there's not any shared resources on this. It'd be basically just making independent requests. That's fine. We're gonna have just your simple hi. We're not gonna worry about getting IDs. We're just gonna get it gamed. Yeah. So func get games async throws list of games. And func send a game, not send a game. Create game, create game. Async throws. Turns pool. False. Serve this. Case for failed. There we go. Awesome, isn't it? Request failed. Create games with game. Alright, I got 10 minutes till 2:30. I guess I'll leave it at 2.5 hours. So, I got a couple of minutes. Let's see what I can do here. That's all good there. Stubs. That makes sense. Just those stubs. So now we have that. Right, good, awesome. VStack. No. For each. Bar. Simple. Bar. Private bar model. Game by the way. TF and should be able to. The only problem is this is all guarantee order, but that's fucking fine. Who needs consistent orders to their models, you know? And you know what? Fuck it. Let's just go wherever we want. Anyway, now that's thing, we're going to go validatable X field view model. Should just be model. TF model. Everything comes up model. Here, one's our D3. Shift O, 4. VTF model that valid. We're gonna have to figure that out. VTF model. There we go. I was not complaining about it now, so that's good. Now let's just do a quick Swift build, and if everything is fine, we can end stream. If everything's not fine, probably still end stream because I don't want to flip that. No candidate found, binding dictionary string. Okay, Q. 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 Blah 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 blah. 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 Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay. event that validates. That's good. That's fine. Oh. Jewel. Probably have a. Nah, that's fine. Okay. I don't care about that right now. We're also gonna have to validate all models thing here. Oh, okay. Validate models. Date. It's just gonna be a model. Or value. Or not formatted. Or each. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Validate. Validate form. Bugs me right now because buggy. Just want to like bump there. Validate. Come on. Why are you still lying? We wouldn't want. Oh, because that's a text view model. Ah, see. I yelled. Model. VTF model. Better? Can I just. I didn't like it because that. Okay, so can I do. Dot. As list. That list. Shuffled. Error index. Form index filter drop. For each count filter split. Tell me that it always fails, and that's fine. I don't know at first. What the fuck? Diction. Oh, diction. This one this one's values, that's an array. Can I do that? What are my options here? Count, capacity, indexes, keys, value. Value. Oh, yeah, probably flat map it, I guess. Um, values.map. Better? There we go. I hate the fact that that fucking works. Anyway, boom. Swift build. Everything's fine. Cool. Can I make it a... Alright. Let's see what it looks like real quick. With run. Alright. Let's see where we are. Wow. The title really doesn't seem to show up at all. Very useful title. That's fine. It's got padding. That's nice. You know, that works for me. Woo. Control C. WQ. Clear. CD. Clear. Just do some C matrix. Dash SC. Magenta. I like magenta. Alright. Well, anyway. Thanks for those who came by. Thanks for the follow. Greg, I think it was. Greg, yes. So, hope you have fun learning Java. Anyone else here? Have a good rest of your night, day, whatever time period you may be in. I am probably going to go to bed if I can. So, bye. Actually, I want to see something real quick. What does the bitrate look like, really quick? Bitrate, it's fine. It's not even like tanking any. So, you know, everyone. This would suck on a VOD, but you know what? It works fine for fucking stream. So, Rasta, my friends, Rasta. Well, anyway, bye.